Dyson Repair Store, expert service at AceVacuums in Virginia, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. At AceVacuums, we specialize in Dyson vacuum repair, service, and maintenance. Whether your Dyson vacuum has lost suction, has a clogged hose, or needs a battery replacement, our Dyson repair technicians at Ace Vacuum stores are here to help. Why choose Ace Vacuums as your Dyson repair store? When looking for a Dyson repair store, it's important to choose a service center that specializes in Dyson's unique technology. Here's why Ace Vacuums are your best choice. Experienced Dyson repair technicians. Our team is trained to repair and maintain all Dyson vacuum models. Genuine Dyson parts. We use only authentic Dyson replacement parts, including filters, hoses, motors, and batteries. Fast and reliable service. Most Dyson repair store services are completed within 24-48 hours at Ace Vacuum stores. Affordable pricing, competitive repair rates with no hidden fees, quality service at the best price. Warranty repair services. We handle Dyson warranty repairs at our Ace Vacuum stores. Comprehensive maintenance. We don't just fix the issue, we also inspect your Dyson vacuum to prevent future breakdowns. At our Dyson repair store, we fix all Dyson vacuum problems, including loss of suction power. Dyson vacuum won't turn on. Battery not holding charge, cordless models. Brush bar not spinning. Loud or unusual noises. Overheating and auto shutoff issues. HEPA filter and dustbin cleaning. If you're experiencing any of these issues, visit Ace Vacuum stores, the most trusted Dyson repair store in Virginia, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. today. Dyson vacuum models we repair. Dyson V-Series cordless vacuums. Dyson ball upright vacuums. Dyson Cinetic big ball vacuums. Dyson canister vacuums. Dyson handheld vacuums. Dyson outsize cordless vacuums. Dyson OmniGlide and micro vacuums. Dyson Humdinger handheld vacuum. No matter which Dyson vacuum model you own, Ace Vacuum stores have the expertise to repair and maintain it with precision.